Welcome to your own slice of paradise. Get ready to be blown away by this stunning property located at 3215 Northeast 21st Street in the highly sought after neighborhood of Dolphin Isles in sunny Fort Lauderdale. I'm Nikki's friendly AI avatar, and I'm here to take you on a captivating journey through your dream home and investment opportunity. Step inside this pristine duplex and prepare to be amazed. Each spacious side boasts 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, providing you with the perfect space to relax and unwind. But that's not all. Picture yourself indulging in endless relaxation in your own private garden, taking a refreshing dip in the inviting pool, or soaking up the sun in the luxurious hot tub. This property offers the ultimate Florida experience, allowing you to embrace a lifestyle of pure bliss. Are you an ambitious investor looking to maximize your income potential? Or perhaps you're someone seeking a vacation home that doubles as a smart investment? Look no further, because this duplex is the answer to your dreams. Rent out both sides and watch your bank account flourish, or choose to live in one side and rent out the other. The choice is yours. And here's the clincher. You're just a short 2-block walk away from the breathtaking beach. Sandy shores, glistening turquoise waters, and endless sunshine are practically at your doorstep. Dive into the waves, soak up the sun, or simply take a leisurely stroll along the shore. The beach is yours to explore and enjoy at your leisure. Don't let this golden opportunity slip away. In the highly desirable Dolphin Isles community, this incredible property can be yours for just $1,749,000. A once-in-a-lifetime chance to own a piece of paradise awaits you. Don't wait. Get in touch with Nikki today at 954-817-2500 to schedule a viewing. Your dream home and investment portfolio are waiting.